Sandra.
I'm Jerson. I'm Alfred.
And welcome to RX. Yan. So, gusto namin i-share sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung RX and kung ano yung nagustuhan namin. First is sa company.
Okay. So, sa company ng RX, RX company was composed or are composed of different individuals who proved na sobrang galing nila sa management and they built before yung debt-free company na $500 million company na walang utang, which means they know what they're doing and right now they're the founders of RX.
And they are the expert and guru when it comes to network marketing.
At the same time, for 4 years pa lang na existing yung RX, sobrang taas na ng sales nila weekly. Kaya nga naging billion-dollar company sila for the short period of time dahil ang management alam yung ginagawa. Hindi sila indecisive na pabago-bago ng plano kasi bago pa nila simulan yung RX, alam na nila kung ano yung gagawin nila at kung saan ito papunta.
At alam nila yung ayaw ng mga distributors. At alam nila kung ano yung dapat gawin para ma-compensate yung mga nasa field, which is tayo yun. And nung ginawa nila yung RX, saan ba papunta yung discussion na to? Nung ginawa nila yung RX, they solved the problem yung mga nahihirapan yung distributor. Number one, saan ba nahihirapan yung distributor?